Number 5. Atari Pong Multifunctional Coffee Table. Of all the video games of the past, Pong is unquestionably sitting at the head of the table. While it may no longer hold muster on the visual front, it still remains amongst the most enjoyable games to play, over 40 years since it was initially released. It is for that reason then that we've had our heads well and truly turned by this stunning Kickstarter campaign, the Atari Pong Coffee Table. The fantastic Atari Pong Coffee Table aims to give you a tremendous experience. Like you were playing the original game. It is packed with retro sounds, bouncing lights. You can hide the control panels by closing the side covers, and still enjoy a neat retro coffee table. It's even equipped with a Bluetooth speaker so you can give your Pong tournament a custom soundtrack to deliver the same gaming mechanics as the original iteration to stay true to the gameplay that we all know and love. Number 4. The Curvilux Smart Sleep Nightstand. Nightstands don't generally do anything more than serve as a place to charge a phone, set a glass of water, and store all the stuff you don't want friends to see when they come over. The Curvilux Smart Nightstand does all those things, but it also does so much more. Curvilux is a modern, minimalist, and connected nightstand with a wide range of impressive technical features. The Smart Nightstand boasts smartphone connectivity, a built-in speaker system, and LED lights capable of being set to mimic a sunrise, among a handful of other features. Curvilux lets you control your sleeping cycles and simulate the sunrise to wake up on time, sets your alarm in the app to wake up in the right cycle, streams your favorite songs from your smartphone, answers a phone call with its Bluetooth connectivity, or charges your devices using the wireless and USB chargers. Number 3. BeoSound. Every audio brand claims that their product seamlessly blends form and function, but the BeoSound shape is quite unlike anything we've seen before. The BeoSound shape is a wireless speaker system made up of a swarm of hexagonal panels, designed to be a quality set of speakers that fade into the background of your home. It consists of many speakers, amplifiers, and acoustic damper tiles that scale the system's sound performance and visual design. BeoSound shape can go from 6 to practically unlimited tiles in one setup based on your unique design. The key to that is Bang & Olufsen's algorithm, which was developed to ensure that the sound remains centered no matter where you move in the room by creating a fixed soundstage. At the heart of it, a connectivity hub is hidden in one of the tiles with the hardware for AirPlay, Chromecast, Spotify Connect, and Bluetooth 4.1, along with support for Bang & Olufsen's BeoLink system. Number 2. The Planet Chair. MZPA's Planet Chair fills a geometric bubble of steel and plywood with an ergonomic mattress. It portrays a futuristic, minimalist interpretation of personal space meets outer space. The Planet Chair was designed for office environments, but functions equally well in the backyard. In the former, MZPA hopes it will add comfort and aesthetic interest to co-working and open spaces. It's a private place for coffee breaks and quick escapes. It could serve as a literal think tank, sphere, when it gets hard to focus on a presentation, strategy, or solution amidst the bustle of the office floor. The interior of the Planet Chair has a storage pocket, LED lamp, USB charging ports, and a speaker system. For those more inclined to set up a Planet Chair in their garden. Number 1. The I-sopod. A flotation pod is a powerful tool to achieve harmony of body and mind, natural, and based on the scientific approach to deep relaxation. Precision engineered, it is the most technically advanced and luxurious flotation system available. 3 years of research and development and over 16 years of flotation industry experience have culminated in I-sopod. The I-sopod is an impenetrable silent sanctuary that is almost womb-like, where anxieties and stresses can simply drift away. This environment is like no other and provides your body with complete weightlessness, removing all external stimuli from the body and mind, facilitating a true physical and mental relaxation available nowhere else on Earth. The flotation pods are designed to completely eliminate any possible claustrophobic feelings. The light is also manually controlled from inside the I-sopod. At 8 feet 5 by 5 feet 5, even the tallest customer can stretch out. I-sopods are the world's largest tanks that ensure supreme comfort for your flotation experience. Each pod is filled with half a ton of the high-quality Epsom salt, which allows you to float effortlessly. The door is never locked shut. It can always be opened manually from inside or outside by simply pushing the door. Inside the flotation tank, there are two customer-controlled switches, one for the interior light and another call button for the reception. With its modern and contemporary look, I-sopod is the preferred choice of float center owners who want to own the most reliable float pod on the market, and appreciate the long-term value in buying a quality product.